Malikaw man ang landas ay hahanapin ang kalsada patungo sa'yo.
Can I ask something? When Tarik Mall?
Talikon Mall?
No. Speak Arabic?
I cannot speak Arabic, but I can speak English.
My English is little. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Can you English?
I lost my way. I want to go mall. Mall.
Yes. Tagbilaran City.
Tagbilaran City. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
go.
How many minutes? How I can go there?
Just straight.
How many minutes?
I think half hour.
Half hour?
Yeah. That's little bit far.
Can you recommend me what I want to eat Filipino food? Do you know when matam twice? Matam tam twice. I mean restaurant good food. Good restaurant. Delicious food.
There's a lot of restaurant.
Where? What
In
name?
Tagbilaran City, there's a lot of restaurant.
What name restaurant?
Ini,
Can you recommend me? What
how should I do?
name of restaurant? Filipino food.
Jollibee.
Jollibee. It's good.
Jollibee, Macdo, Masal.
It's good taste.
Yeah.
Shukran.
Very so good. So delicious.
Okay. Thank you so much. What's your name?
I'm Jay.
What's your name?
I'm Jay.
Andre?
I'm Jay.
Oh, no problem. Yeah. I'm Mr. Guapohon. Street red tani no?
Yeah. Ay,
Kuan ba? Mga ba? Ani lagi diretso tani.
oh.
Nya kuan. Gabot dito. Asam na tuyok.
I believe straight like you.
Street red.
Okay na po ka mo.
Vlog ra ko eh. Content. Okay ra i-upload ni. Vlog ako ba? Okay ra i-upload.
Okay na.
Okay. Salamat ha.